Hello my ladybugs, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are doing a fun sit down chat with my sister.
That's me.
Yes. So if you're interested in watching this video, then keep on watching. Okay sister.
So we don't really have, something to talk about in mind. We'll just impromptu and see where this
we'll
goes.
pick topics, some interesting topics, some non-interesting topics and talk on it.
It's called uninteresting.
Shut up. It's okay. Let's start. So I want to start. What is your favorite book or novel right now that you're reading? Or maybe not reading, but you really loved.
I can't think of anything right now. But Kite Runner is one of my favorites.
Yeah, I was preparing for my answer and I was going to say Kite Runner, but
She always copies me. She reads all the books that I give her, and then whatever's my favorite. You know what? That's the
Shut
thing
up.
about her.
Shut
Whatever's
up.
my favorite, that's her favorite. You don't even need to,
No,
contemplate
no.
on that.
No, it's just I take her opinions very seriously and sometimes I do not. Okay, so she did not ask me what's my favorite book.
Okay, you already answered, so I don't need to ask.
No, but
Do you have another answer?
I will say that yes, like if I'm going to pick a name, she'll definitely say that I recommended that to you.
I mean,
But
that's true though.
But that book in which that North Korean defector ran away,
Yeah,
Escape from Camp
14.
Camp 14 was really nice and touching, and I think not a lot of people know about the living situation of North Korea, so it is quite an eye opener. And I wanted to say that except for picking a favorite book, I want to say that I really love erotic books,
Genre.
erotica genre. Yes, I love it. So I want to ask, what do you like the most in me? Like quality or anything or something, whatever comes in your mind.
It's so hard to pick.
Shut up.
I like that she's very kind, she's very soft and very sensitive. I also hate that about her, the same thing, that she's sensitive. Well, I have a love-hate relationship with her sensitivity because sometimes I'm just randomly joking and she'll get really hurt about it, and then I don't know, she'll hold a grudge, and then it goes on for years and years and years, and then she'll go on for years like, you did this to me and I was hurt and I was deeply affected by it, but sometimes I just fail to see how it's that deep.
No, it's just she is very inconsiderate, and when she's angry, she'll spit out very rude things to people. Like she'll make them cry. So she is rude. I'll give you an example. We decided to shoot this video, and she literally took an hour or maybe 45 minutes to get ready. And she's giving me tantrums and she's saying, "Tu mujhse matlab." नहीं मुझसे आर्ग्यूमेंट मत कर. I was like, oh my god. And had I done that, she would have been like, नहीं मैंने रिकॉर्ड कर रही तेरे साथ.
I'm giving a special appearance on this show, so she better be grateful for
Wow.
it.
You see. So I don't like this video. It is very annoying to me.
Well, deal with it, you're the younger one.
Moving on. Do you want to ask something?
I will have to think. Do you have something?
Any other weird hobby or something you like which you think people find weird?
No, I don't have any weird hobbies, I guess. Do you?
I don't even have hobbies. Okay, I think I have a hobby.
That is
love.
playing badminton.
Yes. Wow. What is this look that is playing badminton?
No, I didn't mean it that way. But like,
No, I think we have it on camera. We literally said it. That is playing badminton.
See, that's the thing with her.
But she did it.
always reads into things, and sometimes there is no need to do that.
That day we went out, हम market गए थे, and she doesn't like my driving. She's always like, बहन ध्यान से चला, ढंग से चला. And I am short-heighted. I think I'm 5'1" and 5'2", and I'm trying.
5'2", yeah.
Okay, whatever. She's literally this much taller than me, and she thinks that
I'm 2 inches taller than her.
I was trying to pull the scooty back, and the road was like this, so I slanted. So I wanted her to pull, and my leg slipped, and I couldn't
I could not balance.
Yes. मुझे बहुत हैसल कर रही थी. So I told her, बहन मुझे आराम से रहने दे. तो Jesus बहन तू अपने साथ साथ मुझे भी आराम से ऊपर ले जाएगी. That was so funny.
At the moment, I guess, because
Yes. But I think I drive better than her.
who has been in more accidents?
That was when I
She
was.
once literally broke our scooty.
That was because when I was younger, I used to think that I am this racer girl. And I can, मैं कहीं से भी काट के गाड़ी निकाल सकती हूँ. But मेरा वो भ्रम टूट गया जब मैंने लोगों को लगातार ठोका. No, not okay. भाई कार चलाना is completely different thing, but with scooty, that was a completely different problem because I was delulu in my head. I used to think कि
What makes you think
Red
you're
Bull
not
के
that right
contest
now?
में मुझे ही बुलाएंगे.
Oh yes. What is your favorite childhood memory with me?
I think there are a lot of moments, but since we're approaching Diwali, there's this epic memory of ours from childhood. So Diwali के कुछ time पहले when we were younger, we would literally celebrate Diwali like it has to be celebrated. We would go out and buy patakas. We would literally buy new clothes. Now
And, we used to have such unhealthy competition. Who will buy more crackers this year?
And yes, we would feel embarrassed and we would tell our father, Papa, नहीं उनके पास ज़्यादा पटाखे नहीं और लेके आओ. So she bought this lacha. It is called lacha lehenga. I don't know. And she was very excited to wear it. I don't remember what I bought. So my mother was like, बेटा नहीं इसको नहीं पहनो क्योंकि अभी दिवाली में
expensive and it was beautiful by the way.
And my mother was concerned कि obviously पटाखे जलाएंगे तो it would get burnt. But she literally fought with her mother and she would, I think वो ऐसे नहीं मैं तो यही पहनूंगी मैं तो यही पहनूंगी. She literally did this and wore that.
And in fact that year I was probably in 5th standard. I even wore fake Mang Tika, which was so ugly. So tacky.
I don't remember that. I don't even remember what I wore. But so मेरी मम्मी ने उस दिन I think numerous times इसको बोला होगा बेटा अब निकाल दो and she was like नहीं मैं तो पहनूंगी. I think she thought that she's Kareena Kapoor in her head.
Yes.
So अब सबका पटाखे जलाना खत्म हो गया था and my cousins were burning this मिर्ची पटाखा. What is it called?
Yes.
It is a mirchi bomb.
One that you throw. No, at least we felt cool.
Yes. So it's not like throwing, but they were throwing it, and I thought, oh my god, this is the lit shit, So I wanted to do that, and I felt so confident throwing that mirchi pataka. And my sister comes in front of me and मैं ऐसे लाचा पकड़ के and मम्मी बुला रही चल घर and
I had actually just stepped out of house.
Yes.
I did not even get to celebrate. The first thing I
नहीं let me. So मैंने वो पटाखा जला दिया और वो मेरे सामने मैं बहन और वो अपना लाचा पकड़ के खड़ी है. मैंने उसी में फेंक दिया तिरछी मॉम और वो she's jumping like crazy.
My skirt got
Burned.
fire.
Yes.
Got fire.
And उसके बाद
By the way, she gave no shit. She was still doing what she was doing, and then I was crying the whole time. And I got slapped from my parents.
Like we came back home and she's like, मम्मी मेरा लाचा जल गया ये बोलो मेरे को पटाखा फेंक. we have this dressing table and I think मेरी मम्मी ने मेरी बहन को उसके around दौड़ाया and then she got beaten up. I think मैंने उतनी मार नहीं खाई. I was like कि वो मेरे सामने आ गई कि मैं क्या करती.
In fact, she blamed me. तुझे मम्मी ने बोला मत पहनना, तूने क्यों पहना? Deserved. That is how her attitude was like.
So that was fun.